Forget everything you know about robots because Deep Robotics just built a masterpiece. This red and black quadruped, the year of horse 2026, moves with lifelike grace across grassy fields, even rearing up on its hind legs with incredible balance. From the sleek black and white models to the rugged M20 Pro, these machines are rewriting the DNA of robotics. They demonstrate synchronized poses and navigate tough terrain with fluid precision, proving that robust functionality can still look absolutely stunning. These aren't just for show. They're interactive companions you can actually walk with or even ride. Seeing children delight in these unique interactions shows the massive potential for future entertainment. Deep Robotics proves evolution never ends. So, would you want one as a pet? Forget everything you know about robots.